She's happy for me. She's happy for... Look, she's happy.
What the hell? Hey! Come on, Doug. Hold it right.
You shook your paw. Oh, Kev.
Bullseye.
You wanted to get in, dude. You gotta do me too, bud.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Hey, Marilyn.
Who did it? Hey, smell.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry? Oh my god. My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little... Ah, fuck you!
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
Well, good morning.
Yeah, you didn't like that, did you? Stop screaming at the door at 6 a.m.
Be best friends.
I guess hungry?
Deacon? Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
Raggy! Stop!
Right! Dad! You're on fire!
Would you?
If you bite me, yeah, I'm talking about you.
Girls, isn't that?
Are you fucking serious?
What are you doing?
Yeah. Son of a fire.
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat.
Look at this belly. So chunky. I'm so sorry.
Is he gonna deliver speed? Attack from out of nowhere!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
Sliding down the stairs.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god. Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no.
Minnie.
You just ate an entire chicken parm. The whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
What is that? Phoebe, come here. What is that? Oh my god, why?
Okay. Yeah, that's a stamp.
See one flaw in Carlos. Holly Roll
Oh my god!
Stop! Mom! Munchie's chicken!
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
What happened? Why are you mad at me?
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Let's go!
Hey! Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
on the outside. Tom Brady up.
Ah, what is that? Oh my god! No, he's gonna make it.
Reggie, don't eat him. Take.
Hey! Oh, you scared me! Jesus!
Go in the bath.
Stop it. No. No, I said.
The Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Weird way my dog sits. Odin, what are you doing, bud?
This little one was definitely born with the vibe of a natural-born predator.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
What the fuck? Don't flip!
How much more of a circle can you be?
Raggy, stop!
Oh no! Oh no, Big Daddy! Hey! All right.
Oh, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
I'm still mad at you. Get out!
Remy, you okay? Remy, you okay? You good?
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Mike is a bitch.
Somebody fucking help me!
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop it.
Ipantan!
Girl, what the hell? Girl, you ain't supposed to do that.
Three, two, one. Ready or not, here I come. Really, Kimmy? I found it.
I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh, look, it's Millie!
I got it.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Meow. Meow.
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
So this is my cat. His name is... Really?
Mr. Banana is waiting.
Crowley! Crowley, goddammit! Fucking hell!
She's not supposed to be out there.
Excuse me? Ma'am? Ma'am? I think.
So I was looking for Ruby the baby cat the whole time until I found out.
Ruby, Sunshine, why are you drunk?
Hey!
And then you go.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Alright, man.
Will it have lights in it?
Rollins with a stop to Lester! Roman Reigns. Ali roll. RKO! On the outside. Top boot up.
I don't even know, so I'm gonna put him food, but I'm putting him across the street because I don't want to give it to Brother Cuts because he wants to fight my cat.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, thank you, my sweet son.
Oh, shit.
Criminal offensive side eye.
Hold on. I gotta pull over. Don't
Hi. Wanna say hi?
Stop it.
Brother, what's that?
Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude? Can you stop standing, please?
I'm coming. Here I come.
Sunday, every man for themselves. Oh, goodness!
Hello? Who's at my door? Are you wearing masks?
No, I need that.
Are you happy? Show me your smile. Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
She's a precious angel. Ah, okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
What are you doing?
Son guapos, ya suéltalo, suéltalo.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, Brando.
This motherfucker. God damn it!
You're not gonna.
Oh my god!
Oh, thanks very much. Oh, lovely, thank you.
She's scared.
It's on. It's okay, Daddy.
Fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick us up one little curl at a time.
Oh, are you okay, Pinky? What's wrong, bud? Look at me. What's wrong with your
Sure. Are you hungry?
Is he going to deliver? Sweet.
Did you just fart? Mila! 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 Quick! Oh my god.
There you go. Odin, take some of that.
Name is John C.
Don't eat my plants.
I ain't seen Bando nowhere. Every time we play this goddamn hide and seek.
See, just bite it. Gentle.
Oh my god, he's on me. He's on me. cat.